Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, in today's video I'll be taking you guys along with me to walk, like just spend the day with me. First of all, I will be cooking. So I'll be cooking banga soup. So guys, make sure whenever you are making your banga soup, try to use hot water, and like you need to do it like 4 to 5 times because a lot of sand under that banga. Yes, a lot of sand. So I did this thing which like 4 to 5 times because the sand was just too much. So this is me making my plantain with my oats together. So I'm just making it for just only myself because I'm only the one that is at home. So and all that, my soup is ready. Yes, this is what it looks like. And guys, this is my first time using catfish to cook banga. I think I ate this thing when I was in Nigeria, but I've not used it to cook before. But I eat catfish, pepper soup, and all those kind of things. So I decided, and this thing was, the taste is another, as in I don't even understand the taste. The taste was something else. Guys, come and join me. I'm already late, like I'm going to work now. I just quickly want to eat. This one is fresh plantain. I blend fresh plantain with what is it called, oats. You know coke and oats. Now that normal oats you drink, that oats, I blend the oats. I blend unripe plantain, like the plantain that is not ripe. So I blend it. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I decided to eat something different today. And it's very, very rich. So and I've been seeing a lot of people this thing on social media, that if you want to lose weight, like if you don't want to have a lot of fat but you want to be eating swallow, you can do this. This is very, very good. So I've been doing it, but not every time. Not every time. When I have plantain, because I have this quote at home, sometimes I use it to drink. I just eat it like that with milk and sugar. So I'm eating a lot today. Obi went to work, so me, I'm eating now. I use catfish to cook this banga soup. Oh god, this is so hot. Guys, I'll be taking you guys along with me to walk, but not showing you everything, just few things. And then my chest. So guys, I don't eat overfeeding. I don't feel waka. I swear, I eat overfeeding. I don't feel waka. Guys, I'm already late with 5 minutes. Me, my boss is 120. Let me fast. Quick. Guys, please subscribe to your girl channel. Okay, like this video. I'm taking you guys to walk, but just few things I'm going to do so before this vlog ends. Okay. Hi, overfeed. I don't feel even run safe. So guys, I'll see you in the next clip. Okay, bye. So guys, that's my bus stop. I want to take my bus. My bus is coming. Oh, this traffic light should wait. Oh, let me enter my bus. If I miss this bus, hey, I don't dare today. Scusa. Oh, the thing not going stop. Aspetta.
Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound.
So guys, I just bought ticket like now small remain. I for miss my bus. Like I for miss my bus. I swear, I for miss this bus. Thank God. So I bought ticket because I no fit for the wahala. €2.50 will not go and make me to pay €60. Okay, so I just have to buy ticket. I know they will not be in. I will not see them, but I just have to buy ticket because sometimes the day that you do not buy is that day they will come, but the day you will buy they will not come. So we are still on our way. My work is very close to my house and all that. So guys, I just get to work now. So I've dropped my jacket and my bag. This is my bag. I'm going to put it inside my drawer and all that. So I'll be taking you guys downstairs where I'm going to arrange my carrello that I'm going to use to work. So I'm going to arrange it before I start work. So this is my shoe. When I started work, they gave me this shoe, but I'm not using the shoe. This is the one I'm wearing now, my old shoe. This one is more comfortable. This one is spinning me on my leg. I forgot my key at home, but they are not going to take anything. So guys, let's go downstairs. So guys, I went to go and collect my handset, my phone. Maybe for example, they are calling me, like they are calling me to come to that place. Maybe that place is maybe like water pour on the ground and all those things, so they can reach me with this and all that. So that is it. Going downstairs. Catch you guys later. So this is what this place looks like. So I'm doing, my job is to clean. Okay, so I'm going to arrange my carrello now. So guys, and that is it. So guys, I was arranging my carrello and all that, like what I will be using to work. But first of all, when I came, the whole place was so messy and all that. So I decided to arrange it and mop the floor before I can go inside the supermarket to start cleaning and all that. So I was just arranging the carrello so that in case the people that is working in the evening can see, they can start work immediately, for them not to be wasting time and all that. So that's what I was just doing and all that. So I arrange it, put all soap and all that. So it's time to clean the floor, and that is it. So guys, please subscribe, like and share this video. Okay, I was just sharing whatsoever, like all these things we used to clean. Just make sure I arrange everything so that if they come, they'll just carry their. This is the water that this is not water, it's soap. So I go and fetch it. So I want to arrange the carrello. You see, when I came just now, everywhere is so scattered. So I just finished arranging the carrello. I want to pour water in case maybe the people that is starting around 6 o'clock if I finish. So I want to arrange it. So if they come, they will see to use and all that. So that's what I'm doing now.
Lift me up.
Pronto. Ah, ok. Questo telefono non è mio, ho visto, ho trovato per quello ho preso. Dove sei? Ok, arrivo. Ciao.
Keep me close, safe and sound. Drowning in an endless sea. Take some time and stay with me. Keep me in the strength of your arms. Keep me safe and sound.
This is the place we buy. Maybe we want to buy anything, like any kind of thing. Maybe you want something, you want water, you want cafe and all that. So maybe if you bring food, this is a microwave and all that. So let me sit, let me rest. So I'm resting a little bit, like maybe like 5 minutes. So I'll go and continue from my work, so I will not be showing you guys the supermarkets because I cannot take my phone. You understand? That is it. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section, okay? So guys, I will see you later, okay? I'm just relaxing. I forgot my things up the other side where I change my clothes. Those things they are there. I cannot go to that place. That place is a bit far. It will be like maybe that can 5 to 6 minutes before I can get there. So the supermarket is very, very big. There's nothing you are going to find in this place. They sell baby clothes, any kind of things, kitchen equipment, car equipment, bicycle, anything you can think of, they have it here. Like in this supermarket, you want to buy gold chain, wristwatch, like it's a big supermarket. They have different categories what they are selling inside, so it's very, very big. So guys, I will see you on the next clip. Guys, I came to the other side, so this is what I will be taking now, and I want to buy water. So I did not see water, so let's eat. So I got this cheese for children. I got juice as well. So guys, I just closed from work. This is 6:47. So from my work to that place, there was hold up on the road. In short, accident. Three car together, trailer jammed, two motor at the front. So that's why I've not gotten home. So I could have gotten home since there was a lot of traffic. And this is me, your baby girl. Thank you everyone for following me to work. If you enjoyed this video, so guys, I will see you all on my next video. Thank you all so much. Please like this video, and also you can also use the super thanks, okay? So guys, ciao, see you guys later. So you see, there's still sun despite the time. It's almost 7 o'clock now, so the weather have changed already. That's why. Okay, take care guys.